Hello and welcome to teachers. Today we're going to see the the assignments, week 3 assignments, program 3 and 4. The program 3 is to check whether a given number is even or odd. So they have input a number, scanf, percentage %d and %n, and then we have to check whether it is an even or odd number. If the number modulus of 2 is equals 0, then we'll print the number is even, else the number is odd. So modulus of 2 means if this is completely divided number, then it will give 0. So I've written it out here. So let's compile, and yes, we have passed the two tests. So now we'll go into program number 4 for this week. The program number 4 is to find the largest number of 3 given numbers using if and logical operator, that is and. The first they have input 3 integers, n1, n2 and n3. Then we are comparing one integer with the other two. For example, I've written here if n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3, then it will print the message n1 is the largest number. Then again we're checking n2 with n1 and n3. If it is true, then we'll print the message the largest number is n2. And again we're comparing n3 with the number n1 and n2. Then if it is true, then we'll print the message that n3 is the largest number. Let's compile this, and we have passed the test case. So that's it for today. We'll be posting more videos relating to programming. Thank you for watching, teachers.